In January 1961, two hydrogen bombs fell over North Carolina. Both were live. One of them armed itself on the way down. Each bomb was 250 times more powerful than Hiroshima. The plane broke apart mid-flight. No warning, no time. The bomb cycled through its arming sequence automatically. 4 of its 5 safety switches had already failed. One switch remained, a single low-voltage switch, the kind inside a washing machine. That was it. That was the only thing left. A declassified memo from a senior nuclear weapons engineer confirmed it. He wrote that the bomb came surprisingly close to detonation. The government publicly denied any danger for decades. They told the people of Goldsboro they were never at risk. The classified documents said something different. A functioning detonation would have destroyed everything from here to Washington, D.C. No skill stopped it. No training stopped it. One cheap component happened not to fail. Nobody knows how many other incidents are still classified. Follow Midnight Whisper. A new dark secret drops tonight at 7.